morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Sanjay Anand Kumar Jain from grade 8. I am here to lead today's morning assembly by SHRADDHA House. We welcome you all to today's morning assembly. As day has been started, we should know today's day and date. I would like to call Rakshita Rathod from grade 1st to tell today's day and date.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rakshita Rathod for first standard. I am standard first. Today's day and date. Today's day is Saturday and today's date is 17th August 2024. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Rakshita. To make thoughtful day thoughtful, I would like to call Tanay Parnule from grade 3rd to tell today's thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanay Parnule. I am studying in 3rd standard. Today I am going to tell you today's good thought. Today's good thought is do something today that your future self will thank you for. Meaning of this thought is our present action can lead to a better future. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Tanay. History tells us about what happening in our past on this day. So it's time to say this day in history. So I would like to call Karan Newad from grade 8 to tell today's history.
Good morning everyone, my name is Karan Newad. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I am going to tell history of the day. First, Surveillance Day. Surveillance camera helped to make countless cities suffer by monitoring and recording. Second, National Tell a Joke Day to make people laugh. Third, National Airborne Day in 1940, first official US Army parachute jump. Fourth, in 1793, French Revolution put an end to feudal system. Fifth, National Roller Coaster Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
News are the mirror of our society. News tells us about what happening in the world. So I would like to call Shravani Bangar from grade 8 to update us with today's news.
Good morning everyone. Myself Shravani Bangar from class 8. Today I am going to tell today's headlines of the news. First, AI saves elephants in India. Second, warm weather starts 28.90 degrees Celsius in Haryana. Third, new America vaccine rollout in Central Africa. Fourth, Olympic winner Noah lies his childhood it was super strict. Fourth, after decade J&K cases from multi-corner ED assembly concedes for his 18th September. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Shravani. Our life is incomplete without learning new words. So it's time to learn today's new word, that is vocabulary of the day. So I would like to call Navya Chaudhary from grade 5th to tell today's vocabulary.
Good morning everyone. Myself Navya Chaudhary from 5th standard. Today I will tell you vocabulary of the day. Vocabulary of the day is joyful. I repeat my word joyful. I spelled my word Joyful. Joyful. I tell its meaning. Feeling or showing happiness. Sentence. I listen joyful song so I want to dance. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Navya. To present idiom of the day, I would like to call Dhairyashil Sarukhe from 5th standard.
Good morning all of you. My name is Dhairyashil Sarukhe, studying in standard 5th. Today's idiom is eat like a horse, meaning to eat lot of food. Sentence. After the function he ate like horse. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Dhairyashil. Now it's time to wrap up our assembly. I I declare that today's assembly is over. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.